Hello, Strong Middle School families and community members. I'm Principal Phil Howard, and I'm excited to share some wonderful news. Our annual open house is just around the corner, taking place on Thursday, September 28th, 2023 at 5 p.m. Our open house is a fantastic opportunity for you to connect with our teachers, staff, and fellow parents, and to get an inside look at the incredible learning experiences your students are having here at Strong Middle School. But that's not all. This year, we're thrilled to have some amazing local vendors joining us to make our open house even a more special occasion. We have a fantastic lineup including Yarnin, Around, Adore Able, Amber Sky, Melvindale Junior Football Club, Joelle's Creations, Scentsy, Monica's Creations, Sugar Clouds with their delightful cotton candy machine, Soap by Sergio, and more. So mark your calendar for September 28th and join us at Strong Middle School for an evening of community, learning, and a chance to discover some wonderful local businesses. We look forward to seeing you at our open house.